Hi everybody, welcome back to Needle Workshop. My name is Emily and today we'll be doing another small bite-sized tutorial for you guys. So we'll be looking at how to install invisible zippers. They can be a little tricky, but there's a few tricks that I can show you that will make the whole process a little easier. Also, we use a lot of invisible zippers in a lot of our patterns, so we figured we'd make a video on the subject, and now we can direct you to this video every time you need to install one for one of our costumes. So yeah, that's the idea. So without further ado, very small intro, let's get started. The first step is definitely optional, but it will help make the installation of the zipper much easier. Unzip your zipper as far down as possible and using your iron, flatten out your invisible zipper's teeth. Just be careful not to burn your fingers. Next, place one side of your zipper to the right side edge of your garment piece and pin it in place. Your pattern will tell you which length of zipper you'll need to get and show you its placement with notches. An easy way to sew in a zipper is to start with a regular foot and safe stitch your zipper into place. This will help secure your zipper in place when trying to sew closer to your zipper teeth. Once your zipper is secured in, switch to a zipper foot and sew the appropriate distance away from the zipper teeth. For an invisible zipper, you're generally really close to the teeth, but you don't want to be so close to the teeth as to stay stuck when zipping up. You might need to adjust the length depending on the fabric. Now install the other side of the zipper using the same technique. Once your zipper is installed, you'll need to sew the rest of the shirt, skirt, or whatever garment you're working on together, right side to right side. In this case, we are sewing the center back of Malon's skirt. Using the zipper foot, start your stitch 2 to 3 centimeters above the end of your zipper and slowly work your way down to 1 centimeter from the edge. We're saying 1 centimeter here because at Needle Workshop, all our seam allowances are usually 1 centimeter wide. You can also switch to a regular foot after getting past the zipper if you think this will make sewing the garment easier. And lastly, you'll need to iron your seam allowance open and you're done. If you find your zipper is still visible from the outside, you can go back in and try to sew a little closer to your zipper teeth. Otherwise, you are done. So I hope this video was helpful. It was pretty short and concise, but that's the idea. We don't want to put too much fluff. We want to keep it nice and short, concise, and to the point. But if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and we'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, you can follow our work in progress on all our social media accounts, that is to say Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also check out all our patterns. They're available on our Etsy store and the link will be in the description box below. I believe this wraps up today's video, so until next time, good luck with your projects, guys. Bye bye.